Hi, be going swimming.
Okay, let's see you jump. I want to see you swim.
Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3. See?
All right. What else can you do?
Put down the camera.
What?
Put down the camera.
Put down the camera. Okay, I'll put down the camera in just a second. Show me what else you can do.
Just take your shirt off.
Okay, I'll take it off and jump in a second. Can you show me how far you can jump in the pool?
Yeah. First, you take the black goggles off, and you take your toy like this. And float.
Oh, can you float on your back?
No, I always sink.
No, you only sink?
Yeah.
I'll help you float on your back in a minute. That takes some practice, doesn't it?
You don't need the camera. Just turn it off.
Okay.
Goodbye, everyone. You going swimming with Daddy. Goodbye, everybody.
All right. See ya.